Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 and I'm gonna show you how to pause the workout on this watch. So let's say you want to pause the workout on your watch. Basically you have the workout going already and you want to you want to pause it. For example, I don't know, you want to do something in between, but you want to continue the workout later. And to pause the workout, you need to wake up the screen on your watch, then press the crown button, and you will see the pause screen. Also, if the voice is enabled, you will hear the broadcast saying workout paused. And here we have a couple buttons like resume, stop, the volume, for the broadcast, for the voice that says different things, and this is the screen lock. So let's say you pause your workout and you don't want to by mistake touch your screen. It should be working. Weird, the screen should be locked, so it shouldn't be okay. It is working. For some reason it wasn't like working before. So basically you pause the workout and you don't want it for example, for a mistake, by mistake, you don't want to stop it or resume it. You can lock the screen and it won't do anything with the touch screen, and you will need to press the crown button again to resume it or stop it, like that. And once you stop it second time, you will be again in the pause menu and you can unlock the screen if you like to. Okay, and that's how you pause the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.